Welcome to Safubafo's Poultry Farm, quality with affordability. Managing sawdust in poultry farming is very important and very critical to the health of your poultry. There is no need to change your sawdust in the structure if you have the right amount of sawdust and it is not wet or it is not cake. The sawdust on the floor should be 6 inches deep and it should not get wet. When some part gets wet, it should be replaced immediately. As a farm owner, you have to be around to check how things are going. Because I was not there by myself, my workers did not replace the wet area and therefore it became cake and they ignore it. It is very bad practice for your sawdust to cake like this. It brings diseases into your poultry. Materials such as sawdust, wood shavings, straw, rice hulls, and peanut hulls make good litter. The thickness of the sawdust should be 7 inches deep. You must use the best bedding for brooding or the best litter for young birds. Use clean litter in nesting boxes and move the old bedding to the floor. Always try as much as possible to keep the litter dry. If an area gets wet, please replace the wet litter with dry litter. Stir the litter around waterers if it gets wet to help dry the litter. Please let me repeat it again. The thickness of the litter or the sawdust should be at least 3 inches or 6 inches maximum. Importance of having sawdust in your poultry farm or in your poultry structure. 1. The sawdust absorbs moisture. It provides insulation. It acts as a cushion for the birds, and it dilutes feces and minimizes bird or manure contact. When choosing litter for your birds, please remember it must be absorbent. It has to be a lightweight. It has to be inexpensive. It should be non-toxic, free of mold. It should learn to post-production application, compost, fertilizer, fuel, etc. Before putting sawdust or litter into your poultry farm, it has to be disinfected first. How can you disinfect it? You have to spread it into an open space. Sawdust is good for your birds, but it can be a contact of diseases to your farm. Where you took it from or where you are taking it from is an open place. It is a public place. Everybody goes there, including wild animals, farm animals. So it is advisable, it is necessary, it is very important to disinfect it. How can you disinfect it? You have to spread it into an open space. When spreading the sawdust on the ground, be mindful anything unwanted, anything you see which is foreign, any foreign material you see, you have to take it out from the sawdust. Otherwise, it is going to have bad consequences on your poultry. We have different types of disinfectant. Contact any veterinary shop near you. Tell them that you want disinfectant to disinfect your poultry house. Do you want to start your own poultry farm but don't have any experience? Don't worry. I have a book for you. If you buy one, you can start your own poultry farm with no experience. After pouring all the sawdust on the ground, use rake or any other available equipment to spread it. Never use old litter or old sawdust for new birds. Always, when starting new flock, use new sawdust that has been disinfected. Wherever you are watching me from, You are welcome to Safubafo's Poultry Farm, quality with affordability. It is good to dream big, but it is also good to start small. Everything is possible if only you take action towards your dream. A small dog is better than a dead big lion. Plans are useless without taking any action to back it up. Your dreams may be a snoring dream without taking any action to back it, to bring it into reality. If God willing, Safubafo pastries would hit the street 2021-2022. So after spreading the sawdust with your rake or any other available tool or equipment, we are going to disinfect it. After disinfecting it, leave it for the next 24 hours. I mean, if you disinfect the sawdust, don't put the burrs in the structure. Leave it for the next day. For any business enquiries or free consultation, I would leave my number in the comment section below. If you call me and you don't get me, please send me WhatsApp message and I would answer or reply you as possible as I can. You can also send me an email at emmanuelsafofo@gmail.com. If you buy Safubafo's Poultry Farm book, you are not buying only a book, you are buying money. We use money for money. If you cannot buy just a book, then you cannot start a business. Just a book that will give you the right knowledge for you to get your freedom, for you to get money, then you are not ready to go. Thank you for watching.
Okay.